Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how I created this look. So just stay tuned, just follow the step by step how I created this look. All right guys, while you are there, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, and don't forget also to turn the notification bell on, so whenever I upload a video like this, so you will not miss out. Okay, just keep watching. I'll see you on the other side. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm just gonna prime my eyes with P. Louis base. Just dab it that all over my lid. Okay, how is everyone doing? Yeah, the palette I'm using today is Beauty Glaze, and the first shade I'm going in with, that dark purple, packing that my outer V. Yeah, just gonna fast forward there. I'm still blending guys. So the next shade, light kind of purple-ish, just packing that all over my lid. Just packing that. I'm not blending at the moment. Oh yeah, now I'm blending now. Fast forward mode. I'm still blending. Yeah, going in with precise brush. This is the shade I'm going in with, lighter shade. Nearly gonna be red, but it's not. Just using that to blend my brow bone. Yeah, hit that corner. That's the lighter shade. Okay, so the brush I used earlier on with that dark purple, so I'm using that to blend it. Just blend. We don't want a line of marcation. Then the second brush on that same shade, yeah, as you can see, I'm blending both shades together. Oh, how gorgeous and pigmented it is. Now I'm going in with this shimmer here, purple shimmer. Yeah, just packing that all over my lid. You know, with shimmer, some can be falling now and stuff like that, so you need to be careful. As you can see, I'm trying to be very careful. Here we go. See that inner corner, we need it. We need it, especially with my hooded eyes. Yeah, so that same brush I used earlier on, the brush I started with, using it to blend. Then move on to the second brush, and the third brush, then just doing the other eye, another brush. So I'm using for color. It's a dry shimmer, just packing that to make it more popping. I think it's called for color. It's loose pigment, but other people call it different name, but I just call it for color. Just packing that. It is gorgeous. Got it from Amazon. Very inexpensive. Blending again. It's a glitter, liquid glitter. Just passing the, just draw like making a line on my crease. Done with that eyeliner from Rimmel. It's a blue eyeliner, and there is some shimmer to it. So going back in with that shade, my bottom lashes. Doing the other eye because that needs topping up. I'll make sure it's right. There we go. Okay guys, my camera just stopped recording while I was doing my inner corner, so I used a green shimmer there on my inner corner. What I use to contour is actually what is it called now? I forgot. Maybelline. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place now to do my contour. What I used before for my under eye to highlight my under eye was Maybelline. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place, so I'm just blending that. There we go. Just blend it together. That's right. I'm using the Big Sister Maybelline to do my under eye big. Now I'm going to set my whole face with Sasha. I have love and hate with this girl. She's so messy. I'm covered with it. That top is covered with Sasha, so I'm just going to use this shade from this palette to bronze. I'll call it just bronze. So I'm going in with that lighter shade, like champagne-ish, to do highlights. I wasn't satisfied, so I went in with Olivia hair. Yeah, because I want more this time. Have you seen that? That's gorgeous. Today I want a glass skin as well. Rimmel blush, my favorite part. I love it. You can see. My lashes, just place it on. Here we go. I always take time when it comes to my lashes. No rush when it comes to my lashes. Just take my time. Yeah, pressing it together with the fake lashes and your natural lashes. Press them together. Time to spray. That is from Revolution setting spray. That's done. Just doing my lip now. I'm using Revolution Pro. You've seen this on my video before. Yeah, that is the whole face done, guys. I am looking absolutely gorgeous, guys. What do you think? Oh, that's slow motion mode. I'm not gonna go without giving you a kiss. Come on now, guys. Let me give you one kiss. Mine.